At Kennywood, we're always looking for new and valuable team members coming from a variety of different backgrounds, and Life's Work was one of those ways for us to be involved more in the community and find great team members here at Kennywood. I think every local business has a responsibility to be a good citizen and a good community partner, and that's exactly why Kennywood thinks it's important to work with organizations like Life's Work. We have that responsibility to our community to employ the best team members we can find from a variety of different backgrounds. The team members we get from Life's Work continue to be some of the best team members we have here at Kennywood. They're always consistently receiving the compliments. They work great with our guests and our team members. And especially people like Verna, who comes to the park every single day, and you always get the smile and hello from her. It never fails. Every single day she's at work. She's always here early and she always stays late. She's kind of the model team member for us.